Introduction to Angiosperm taxonomy. Angiin means vessel and sperma means seed. Angiosperms are vessel and seed bearing plants. Taxonomy. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means to study or legal, lawful or legitimate. Number one, plant exploration. Exploration means to search. And introduction is one of the oldest activity of mankind. Since the dawn of civilization, individuals have gathered new and useful plants from far away places. Seeds and seedlings were routinely included as a part of household. As people explored new territories and settled in new lands, plant hunters scoured the rainforest, desert, mountain, and the tundra for plants that might contain a chemical to fight a fatal disease or be used to create a new products. In plant, genetic diversity. Diversity means variation and variabilities to improve the agriculture. Today's botanists collect seeds to preserve an endangered species. Endangered species means on the way of extinction. To improve an existing food plant or to develop a disease resistant varieties. As wilderness and rainforest habitats are eliminated, plants and diversity disappear and the role of plant hunter become more critical. Plant Discoveries is an annual bilingual publication of Botanical Survey of India, having most authentic information on India's plant wealth. As per recent release of Plant Discoveries in 2018 by Botanical Survey of India on World Environment Day, there is total of 18,666 species of angiosperms and 82 species of gymnosperm. Second, plant description. Formal description of a new discovered species, usually in the form of scientific paper using ICN guidelines. The names of these plants are then registered on the International Plant Names Index along with all over validly published names. Number third, plant identification. It is a determination of the identity of an unknown plant by comparison with previously collected specimens or with the aid of books, manuals. The process of identification connects the specimen with a published name. Once a plant specimen has been identified, its name and properties are known. The various methods of identification includes number one, expert determination, reliable and accurate method of identification, expert specialization and wide geographical range. Number second, recognition. It is based on extensive past experience of the identifier with plant or plant groups. Number third, comparison, illustrations. Means study the number of examples, their photographs or description, authenticity of specimen. Use of keys, bracketed keys, punch card keys, indented keys, synopsis, as well as outlines. Number 4, nomenclature. The attribution of correct scientific name given to the plant is known as nomenclature. Formal naming of taxa. Taxa means plant. According to some standardized system for plants. The rules and regulations for the naming of taxa are provided by the ICBN. These formal names are known as scientific name, botanical nomenclature. Scientific names are by convention in the Latin language. Latin is the language of biological science. Every taxon, whether species, genus or family level, can bear only one correct scientific name. The scientific names of plant species are binomials. Bi means two and nomials means name, that is composed of two names. The binomial convention was first consistently used by Linnaeus, who is often referred to as the father of taxonomy. An example of a binomial, the species commonly known as mango. The scientific name of mango, Mangifera indica, written in italics. Handwritten should be underlined separately. Common or vernacular names, which are generally used by people within a limited geographical area. Plant classification is the placing of known plants into groups or categories to show some relationship. Scientific classification follow a system of rules that standardize the results. To group successive categories into a hierarchy. See, there is a hierarchy, classification, kingdom, division, class, series, order, family, genus and species. The classification of plants result in an organized system for the naming and cataloging of future specimens and ideally reflects scientific ideas about interrelationship between plants. The set of rules and recommendations for formal botanical nomenclature, including plants, is governed by the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. There are three kinds of classification. Number 1, artificial classification. System classifies plants with the help of one or few characters, such as habit of the plant. Habit: herb, shrub, trees, color, number, form, etc., irrespective of their natural affinity. Their example, Linnaeus system 1735 that utilize the number of stamens and some other characters. Second, natural classification. This classification is mainly based on overall similarity in grouping taxa, considering most gross morphological characters. Example, Bentham and Hooker system 1962 to 1883. Number third, phylogenetic classification. This classification based on the known or inferred evolutionary descent of a group of plants. The evolutionary taxonomic classification is sometimes preferred over phylogenetic classification. For example, Hutchinson system 1926, Engler and Prandtl system 1964. Thank you.